Oh my gosh. Did you guys hear that?
Ay, qué
Could
gusto.
you hear that? So much better than last time.
Ajá.
Yeah.
Big difference.
Big
You
difference.
could hear the difference.
Wow, you could feel it too.
Por dolor en la cadera y la pierna izquierda. Y me duele las piernas así cuando camino. Me duele, el dolor se me arrecia en la corva, aquí, abajo la rodilla y en el tobillo del pie.
Okay.
Y no puedo estar parada mucho rato ni sentada porque me arrecia más fuerte el dolor.
Can you translate for her?
She basically, she's had lower back pain for quite some time.
7 years.
For 7 years. Her lower back, her legs, her feet. She said she can't really be standing or sitting because the pain worsens. She needs to be lying down. That's when she feels less pain. Actually.
But she has headaches every day, she says, for the last year. She also has dizziness. Mariana.
Mareos también.
Sí, Mario también.
Every day. Heartburn.
Ácido.
Ácido.
Sí,
También.
Gotcha.
every day.
And the other thing, she has diabetes. How long?
25 years.
She has a pain when she comes up.
Ay,
¿Cuánto? Wait.
ay, como 1, 7, 8.
7, 8. Gotcha.
Ay, sí.
7 or 8, guys. Now, again, go back and watch this. No pain in this one either.
No.
No. See? No pain. Go what? Come back.
Enfrente.
So she comes back.
Yeah.
So it's all on the recovery.
Ves.
Okay. Yeah. So and that's again 7 or 8,
Relájate,
right?
relájate.
Yeah, relájate, exactly.
Oh.
Okay. With the.
Sentadilla,
No,
sentadilla.
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 Oh, la sentadilla.
Okay. How much pain, ma'am?
Dolor.
Esa sí me duele. Esa sí me duele aquí.
Right down the leg,
Esta
right?
parte de aquí, donde empieza la pompa, donde termina la pompa ahí.
Hi, it's Dr. Thayer here. I'm with Delfina. This is going to be her second visit. She's only had one visit. And so she had some pretty remarkable results. You guys saw it in the first video. But kind of give us a flavor. You had ocho te duele en la espalda a couple days ago. Where are you at now? You can translate for me if you want.
Ahorita, ¿cómo te sientes? Cuando venimos estabas en dolor a un 8 y ahora ¿qué dolor tienes en la espalda?
7.
No, en la espalda.
En la espalda no, aquí no me duele ahorita.
No,
No,
no pain whatsoever.
no pain.
Yeah, she said a few minutes ago about a 2, but she went from an 8 to a 2, but all we know is it's better. Now, she has some 7 out of 10 pain in her leg still, which is still there, which, again, one visit, guys, and she's had pain for quite a long time, 7 years,
7
right?
years.
Gotcha. Tell us how you dormir, sleep.
¿Cómo dormiste esa noche?
Tranquila, muy bien.
Tranquila? Is that like tequila?
Tranquila.
Okay, so, also, what about the headaches? Cabeza, te
¿Te duele la
duele?
cabeza?
No,
That was better?
Para
Every day
nada.
has headaches.
no me duele la cabeza.
Gotcha. And so we want to get some of that. She's doing a little better, so I'm really stoked for her. But the big thing I wanted to get, which she is type 2 diabetic, and she takes her blood sugar every day. She was 130 on this previous camera, and she's been doing a great job in writing down her numbers. So the first day, on the day I adjust her, it dropped to 87. The next day, 110, 165, okay? And at night, she's 115, 120, 135. Now you're like, well, that's not that great. She was 130, but what is her average? Tell her, ask the question. What is
¿Tu
her
average
average?
cuánto es tu 180?
¿De qué-
Tu azúcar.
¿Cuánto es lo que me sube?
No, tu average, ¿qué dices?
Normally, your blood sugar.
Normal.
Normal.
Normal. What is it normal? What's the numbers?
¿Qué te ha subido?
Que se me ha subido a 300.
300.
No, she's not 300.
No.
She's
Sí.
all over the place.
No, ¿viste lo cuál?
¿O en estos días?
Sí.
¿O no?
¿Cómo
No me
cuánto?
ha subido. Lo más que me ha subido es el que viene ahí de 187, creo.
Yeah, the highest
Es
it's
lo
been
más alto
about
que me ha
180.
180. So she said 180 earlier, and she may go 300, but I just want to show that she's changing, okay? And we're going to do more on this. She's writing it down now, so we're going to keep track of that because, again, chiropractic's not just about taking pain away from people. It's also making the body healthier, and you guys get to see that. I'm not eliminating type 2 diabetes. I'm not working on that. I'm just making the body healthier. But I like to get the numbers so you guys can see what chiropractic can do, okay? Any questions for me?
Preguntas.
Ah,
She had a little pain in her left side
no,
chest
pues
earlier.
no, que no tengo preguntas.
Okay. Boca arriba, por favor.
más para
Okay,
arriba.
muévete. Arriba, arriba,
Oh,
arriba.
para arriba.
Okay, there you go. Good. Okay.
Con tus manos. Relájate.
So we'll just finish in here. Good. Okay. Oh my gosh. Did you guys hear that?
Ay, qué
Did
gusto.
you hear that? So much better than last time.
Ajá.
Yeah,
Big difference.
big
You could
difference.
hear the difference.
Wow, you could feel it too. So that was so much better.
Así quisiera que me tronara de este lado.
Yeah. Last time it hardly moved. She had a ton of relief, but she hardly moved. So I'm so happy with that movement. So much better. Okay, this is only her second adjustment, by the way, guys. Okay, Rod? Good. That side moved way better than last time too.
Yes.
But still, not as good as the right side. But at least that's a semblance of good motion there. Okay, guys? Okay, so here's her spine, okay? And the reason I'm excited to show you guys this on camera is because her back is as bad as anybody's ever been on x-ray. I've only treated her cuello, her neck, okay? And her back is feeling better. Why? Because balance is more important. You guys are all gonna look at these x-rays, everybody on camera are gonna look at them and think that there's no way you can help a girl, help a lady like this with her, the spine as bad as it is. But I'm here to tell you, balancing the body helps way more. So let me show you what's going on. Spine, here's the middle of her body, okay? The pink line. So which way is her head tilted? Derecha, right? And it's 14.6 millimeters. That's a lot. Her right umbros is also lower than her left. So her whole body is falling to the right. Does that make sense? You want to tell her that?
So, mira la línea verde. Esa es tu espina dorsal.
Sí,
Y ves cómo está todo para un lado, para la derecha.
sí, desanivelado.
Eso es lo que te está causando tu dolor. También tu clavícula
Ah,
está caída para un lado, para la derecha también.
Clavicle? Does that mean shoulder?
Yeah, the shoulder.
I love that. Clavicle in Latin. So everybody in YouTube world is going to look at this and go, oh, 9-degree, 10-degree curve in her shoulder blades here. And that's where her pain comes from. No, this is a weakness. Her balance is the most important thing. The computer is off. So the computer throws her whole body off, leveraging her body, exponentially increasing her pain. Want to tell her that at all?
I'm sorry. Repeat that again.
It's okay. I don't have
Sorry
to.
about
That's a lot. You don't have to read it. Anyways, this is the symptom. This is the cause. Okay, the neck. So, any questions about this? Preguntas about her neck? No, about her neck. Okay, so low back, 24-degree scoliosis in her low back, and ask her what I've treated on her. Just her neck or espalda. What have I treated?
Que te han tratado. Just your neck.
And how's her back feeling?
Tu espalda, ¿cómo te sientes?
ya la siento más a gusto, más relajada.
It feels
Relax,
better,
relax, right?
yes.
I haven't touched her 24-degree scoliosis, so again, I'm going to get a lot of crap on this one because everybody out there thinks that I have to touch this. But have I touched her back at all?
No.
Nothing, right? Good. And so she has calcification of the rib heads here. That's all just evidence of long-standing problems. The left leg's a little shorter, but again, this 24-degree scoliosis is what everybody's going to focus on. And again, it's terrible, but all I need to do is work on her neck to make her back feel better. Any questions for this?
No.
Good. Okay, so next. This is an awful x-ray. Awful, guys. And so you guys can see massive arthritis. Arthritis. Terrible. This is phase 3. This is all degenerated. She has we call this a spondylolisthesis. This is probably degenerative. See how these bones line up back here? And then it doesn't line up here. This is a grade 2. Grade 2, maybe almost a grade 3 spondylolisthesis. This thing is almost slipping off the bottom bone. Why is that important? This is a genetic problem, but it could be also a degenerative problem. But this is in terrible shape, and I haven't touched it. And you don't want a chiropractor to ever touch this thing because this will just get worse if you have a chiropractor push on that. And I haven't touched it. And so she's even feeling better with all this. These are massive objective signs that anybody out there, 99% of the people out there will go, well, why aren't you looking at that? But we're here to tell you she's feeling better. So tell her something about what I said and ask her if she has any questions.
En la parte de abajo enseñan que tienes artritis y se mira muy mal los X como estás. Pero con el tratamiento sí te va a ayudar. No solamente con del pescuezo por abajo. Es lo que te va a ayudar.
Okay, horrible down here. This is horrible. So this is what she has. a grade, not a grade 2. On grade 1, she has a grade 2 or a grade 3. There's only 4 grades of spondylolisthesis, guys, and she has it going on. Again, it's a lot. And so this thing is, again, slipping off here, tons of arthritis, tons of scoliosis. So, again, normally everybody out there would think that's where I have to look. It's not, okay? Now, here's her upper body. So this is where I know problems come from. Tons of arthritis. All these arrows are arthritis in her upper back. Arthritis right here in her neck, and you can see that blown up right there. Her atlas is worn down. Her posture is 87 millimeters forward to where it should be. And all we've done is work the middle of her neck here to create a better curve. Her neck should look like this yellow curve. And you want to tell her anything there too?
Tu pescuezo está, pues sí, sí, atrás encima que tienes artritis, igual. Y igual tu pescuezo pues no está alineado. Debe estar como en una línea derecha.
That's posture. And then more arthritis here.
Y artritis también.
Okay, so all I'm doing is resetting the computer, guys. Resetting the computer. Turning the computer on and off, making her body better balanced.
So lo que está haciendo es está apagando tu cuerpo para que y con la tratamiento te va a ayudar.
Okay, so again, everybody out there, it's an important video because you guys all will see all these objective signs. It seems like I should chase all those signs, but really all I've done is work on the neck. Okay, any questions, guys?
Para la artritis, ¿no hay alguna medicina que ayude o con el puro tratamiento tengo?
She's asking if there's any type of medicine for arthritis.
No medicine at all. Arthritis is the abnormal wearing of a joint. It's caused from pressure. There's nothing that can reverse arthritis. The only thing we can do is balance the body so there's less chance of worse arthritis. Does that make sense to you guys?
Sí. Dice que no hay medicina para los artritis. Eso es pues sí, de los huesos que se van acumulando porque el cuerpo no está alineado bien.
Okay. So we'll talk about how we can work on you and what we can do for you in a minute. But right now, we wanted to show you the x-rays. And again, unbelievably important video because, again, not only for everybody who speaks English, but for Spanish, because not everybody gets to have that translation and understand what I'm saying in Spanish. So thank you for letting me do this. Thank you, gracias.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll see you guys next time.
Thank you.